What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you best FPS optimization and settings in Fortnite. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you and support my work in item shop. Use UFO187 code in item shop. Okay guys, all what you need to do, just go in right corner and press on your profile picture like me and go on this gear and move here to video. In this section display, window mode, just move it to window it. Scroll down to VSync and turn it off. Go here to motion blur and turn this off. User inference, turn this off too. Scroll down to graphic quality and you will see quality preset. From epic, move it to low. On anti-aliasing, just turn this off. Move here to 3D resolution, set this on 100% like me. Move here down to shadows, from epic, turn this off. Go on reflection, turn this off too. On view distance, just switch this to near. On texture, do this on low. Effects from epic, move to low. On post processing from epic, just turn it to low. Show FPS, you can leave this. Use GPU crash debugging, just switch this off. Latency markers, switch this off too. NVIDIA reflex, low latency, just turn this off. When you do these settings like me, move it here up to rendering mode. Switch this from DirectX 11 to performance lower graphics. Go here apply, go keep changes and restart your Fortnite. After applying these settings, open task manager like me and check your information. As you can see, Fortnite use less of my CPU, RAM memory and GPU too. Just use performance lower graphics for better FPS and better settings in Fortnite. I show you bonus thing, just press your Windows button and save gaming. And you will see game mode settings, open this and switch this on. If you want full optimization for PC, Windows 10 or 11, just watch this video. And that's it all guys for this video, how to optimize and how to get better FPS in Fortnite in new season. I see you in the next video and use again UFO187 in item shop. Bye guys.